Do you need to send a taxonomy code on your claims? In this video, we're going to show you how to enter your taxonomy code into your EZClaim program. I'll go over setup instructions for both electronic and paper claims. First of all, what is a taxonomy code? According to cms.gov, it's a code set that consists of descriptions and definitions designed to categorize the type or specialization of healthcare providers. The code set consists of two sections, individuals and non-individuals, and is updated twice a year. It's available from the Washington Publishing Company and is maintained by the National Uniform Claim Committee. You can verify a taxonomy code in many ways, including the NPES website and wpcedi.com. Taxonomy code entry in your Premier program begins at your physician facility library. There are differences in data entry requirements between paper and electronic claims. I will first be going over data entry for an electronic claim. In the physician facility library, you'll see a defined field to enter your taxonomy code. Select your billing provider entry and type your code in and click Save in New. You can add it for your rendering provider if needed in the same way. Once this step is complete, go to your payer library and find the payer requiring your taxonomy code on your claims. Checkmark the option on the bottom right to export billing provider taxonomy code even if using rendering provider. This will ensure that both your rendering and billing taxonomy codes will export in your ANSI file. We also recommend sending your claims to that payer in a separate batch, especially for payers requiring the taxonomy code in Loop 2000A. This is due to the manner in which data is compiled in the standard ANSI file. To verify your taxonomy code is on the ANSI file, go to Send Claims, checkmark the claim, and click the 837 Detailed View button. You will see your billing taxonomy code in Loop 2000A, PRV segment, and rendering taxonomy code in Loop 2310B. Now let's go back to the physician facility library. When a taxonomy code is required on a paper claim in rendering box 24J or billing box 33B, you will need to enter it in the additional ID numbers area of the physician facility library. This will need to be entered for both your rendering and billing provider. Start at the left and select the requiring payer from the payer drop-down list. Tab over to select the ID type and select ZZ Taxonomy for paper claims only. Then enter the taxonomy code in the ID number field. Save your entry. You can preview your claim in the Print Claims screen. If you don't see your taxonomy code in box 24J or 33B, verify that you have the correct payer, billing provider, and rendering provider on the claim. The same goes with an electronic claim. If you don't see your taxonomy code in the appropriate loop and segment, verify you have the correct payer and providers on the claim. If you have any other data entry questions, please refer to your EZClaim online help topics or send your question to support@ezclaim.com.